Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and I'm really happy that you've joined me for this membership group to study and go through the entire Alfred Adult Piano course. I've been using this book for years, and in my opinion, it's one of the top methods if you would really like to learn the piano. So if learning the piano has been a goal for you, it's my goal to help you understand this book and get you going on piano. So the first thing you need to do is obtain a copy of this book, however you purchase your sheet music. And then the way the tutorial structure is going to work is I'm going to go through probably 1 to 2 pages per lesson, and I will post every 2 to 3 days. And it's my goal to have an inclusive piano community, so please do not be shy about asking questions in the comments. If you have that question, it's most likely that someone else does too. And because this is a worldwide community, I really hope that we can all learn from each other. Again, welcome. Please let me know where you're from in the comments. And in the next video, we will start with page 4. Thank you for watching.